The master of avoiding tasks. With his patented excuse machine, he takes home the gold. Every single time. Final challenge. I got this. My pen broke. Show me your homework. Your homework! What in the world is that? It is my excuse machine. Behold the ultimate automated teabag dunker. Gravity pulls the boot to trigger the gear. Huh? It is pure genius. No, no, no! This cannot be! Somebody help me! I did it! Woohoo!
Don't dynamicize your failures. Just do the work.